welcome.
Thanks,
Welcome back.
thanks, Monica. It's been so long, and I'm so happy to actually come back to you. I think we go back so long. I think everyone should know that we have a really long
Long
association.
10 years.
10 years. I met her when we were shooting for a show called Simbi Selects India's Most Desirable for Star World. And I remember reaching out to her and going to her house and shooting and doing a demo shoot for a crystal ball gazing and tea leaf reading to see, as we wanted her to feature on one of our episodes. And yeah, she came out with flying colors. So though we met professionally, actually from there till now the bond has grown really closer, and I consult her regularly for some really key important factors in my life.
Thank you, Mansi. Thank you so much. So welcome. So remove some cards. Let's see what the future holds for you.
Yes, I am very excited.
Yes.
In 2020,
Remove 7. Yeah, 2020. All due to pandemic season we are going through.
the tarot reading sessions. I'm very excited to be doing this in 2020 to see what actually
Do this tarot thing. Then we'll ask a question to the crystal ball also. Let's see what the crystal ball predicts for you.
Okay, done.
So remove 3 cards with your left hand.
Left hand. Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Think a question. You can tell me the question later. Think a question and then I'll answer you.
Okay.
Yeah. So your question is set.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, whatever your wishes, if you are thinking of looking out, I see a lot of solid background like sun card. Sun card has come. This is a wish card, which will all your wishes will come true if you're wishing something in your career life, because I think this is a career card. Because you're working hard, you're putting in efforts, and you want to know whether the outcome results right.
Yes.
The results will be good or not. Because the cards you selected only has come out and showed me that it is a career card which you're very much keen to know what is going to happen. So I see lots and lots of good news coming your way. Lots positive news. Just think, wish okay, I need to do this, I need to have that. Automatically it will happen with you.
Thank you.
Yes, whatever you wish, it will happen in your life. Your wishes is matters most, but positive wish. You always wish, okay, I need to reach there, I need to reach out there, I need to do something, your project, your creative thing. Whatever you are working hard towards it. If you put a little bit effort more, and your wish will help you get.
Wow, it's fantastic. I was
Yes.
actually thinking something on those lines, and I think it's apt. The cards what you're telling me is actually proving out to be true.
So whatever is good. We'll not seek we'll hope for the best. Keep all your fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best. Everything is wishing out well for you. Like whatever your wishes are true. Once your wishes are done, you can let me know what your
Yes,
wishes. Right?
100%.
Now let's see what the crystal ball. Just a random will do.
Yeah.
See what's going to happen. Get a random question. Random I'm doing a reading. There also I see a lot of work opportunities and a lot of growth, for you in coming 1.5 year, 2-3 years. You will see a lot of opportunities coming your way. Like something which is not meant. Like you will say, oh, this was my dream, but I never thought it will happen so early in my life. It can happen. It's like that. So your stars can change. I remember your birth date, which I'll not disclose, but that's fine. Yes. And I see someone entering your life very soon.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead with that then. See, if you are looking out for someone or you are waiting for someone, that also the chances of this happening around this year only. From September onwards, you may find someone coming around. So after September, rather, post September.
That's interesting. That's an interesting 2020 prediction.
Yeah, then too you will give me more details later. So I'm waiting for your details when it happens, because there are full chances of someone coming in your life. because I see a lot of love hearts and hearts. I know it's very difficult to gauge for you. I can't explain to you how we could explain with the cards, but with this I can see. Now we will do a little bit of angel cards and see what the angels message for you of 2020. Just a simple message, angels card. These are also tarot decks, but these are fairy.
Oh,
Yeah.
there are all kinds, right?
Yes, there are all kinds. So we do an angel card. Just remove one card.
One.
Yeah, just let's
That's
see
it.
what the angels message for you. Now you can remove that card also,
Yeah.
and you can remove someone else because your mind, that's fine, because with angels we go
Angel.
very intuitively. Abundance in the near future. See, this is already a card showing someone comes. See this. Can you see two people?
Yeah.
So there is
Oh.
something like that, and this is abundance. So abundance will flow in your life, everything. In love, relationship, everywhere you will find abundance flowing in your life. This is something of your, remember we have done the healing thing?
Yes.
So this is something of your healing also. Open up your wings. Spread your wings.
Spread your wings to
Your,
fly.
yes, you will fly. You will actually fly in it. So
Wow.
yes. So these are very much, both the cards, even the angels message for you there is someone coming in your life and abundance will flow in your life. Spread your wings. You just need to spread your wings. Open up your wings.
That's a good
Yes.
tip and advice that I will take from this
From the
angel card
angels.
reading,
Yes.
from the angels, what you've told
These
me.
are the angels which are saying, it's like angel answers. This is the answers from the angels to you.
Angels.
Say what you're looking for, abundance in your career life, everywhere. See, we need abundance in relationship also.
Yes.
With our every surrounding
Yeah.
environment, in your
Yeah.
work area.
Yeah.
So that will see everything will happen. So
Fantastic.
let's hope for the best. Let's see if 2020 brings a lot of good news from you
Yes,
from today onwards.
thank you. Thank you. I think it's been fantastic. Like I always say that, with you, I think the readings are quite accurate for over the years, whatever I've, done and consulted you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and thank you for having me. And, I think I needed this in 2020.
2020,
To
yes, especially
come out of
some good news and some good things
some good
happening,
news
right?
and positivity,
Yeah.
and coming out of the house and doing something exciting and knowing where the future is headed as far as we are close to 2021 in the next 4 months.
Yes, so it's going to be very good for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.